All right, welcome to 121 Zinfandel Court here in Cloverdale on the really nice southwest side of the town. It's a great community. This is a Christopherson built home, offers almost 3,000 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, has a great pool, spa, nice yard, backs up to the creek behind us. I think you guys are gonna love this home. Come on inside and take a look. Come in here, check out the parlor room. Now this is a really nice kitchen. I'm actually pretty excited to show this one. Quartz tops, Bertazzoni cooktop, maple cabinets, hickory floors. You have a Miele refrigerator. Let's take you guys upstairs. Okay, so we're upstairs. We got a laundry room. We've got a guest bedroom here. Here, I'll show you the master suite. Really nice one. Take a look at this. I can show you the bathroom. Good sized walk-in closet. You got a jetted tub here, double sinks. Let's go check out the rest of these bedrooms. Let's go outside and take a look at the pool. This is the pool, check it out. I love it.